Method number one for unjamming your hot glue gun without taking it apart is to check your trigger. So when you pull down on your trigger, it should move forward a little section in the back over here. And sometimes what happens is this gets completely stripped out. The glue stick is stripped out, so there's nothing to push on and it doesn't come out the end of your glue gun. And if your glue gun is cold, it's definitely not going to move. So you want to test this with your glue gun up as hot as it can go and then try to pull that trigger down. If it still isn't doing anything, you can push on the back of your glue stick and try to push it through your glue gun because you can get a lot more force that way. And that could work, but if your trigger still doesn't work after doing that and getting to a fresh area on your glue stick, then it's likely your trigger is broken and you're either going to want to get a new glue gun or you'll have to take your glue gun apart and fix it. Tip number 1.5 is if your glue stick is jammed but it's stuck too far down in the glue gun to push it, you can always use another glue stick to push on the end of it, or you can actually take a pencil and use the back of that pencil to push down onto the glue stick. If even after pushing super hard down here there's no glue coming out of the nozzle, there's a couple more solutions we can try. Method number 2 is our hot needle. So if we have our glue gun here, we want to heat it all the way up and then stick our needle in and try to clear out anything inside of our glue gun. And it's called the hot needle because our glue gun is hot while we do it. Method number 3 is our cold needle, where if especially there's just debris around the very tip of the glue gun, you could try to use your needle to sort of clear that out without actually heating up your glue gun. Now, if none of the solutions in this video are working, and I got a couple more coming your way, fear not, because I do have links in the description down below to my recommended glue guns, and if your glue gun jammed up, it might be time for you to get an upgrade. But hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Eli, and this is Make Your Brain, where I love to help you access your God-given creativity to solve problems and make your ideas into a reality through DIY cardboard crafting tips and tool videos just like this one. So if you want to stay up to date on the best cardboard crafting information on the internet, then subscribe down below. But if you don't care about good videos, then don't subscribe. I'm cool with that too. I'm super pumped about method number 4 and 5 because they are able to unjam our glue gun even if the jam is somewhere inside of the glue gun, but they also come with some really unique risks. So method number 4, we're gonna make sure our glue gun is completely cooled down, so like all the way cooled down. Then you're gonna grab the glue stick and straight up pull it back out of the other side of your glue gun. And this will work differently depending upon your glue gun, but with my Gorilla Glue gun, it worked pretty well. I'm gonna grab the end and gently and steadily pull it back. It's gonna require quite a bit of force. You don't wanna go crazy because there could be some jam in there and you don't wanna tear the internals of your glue gun apart, but I'm going to gently and steadily pull that out, and it's pretty difficult even once you free it because it's airtight, so it might make like a popping sound as you come out of the end of your glue gun, and the end might look a little mangled of your glue stick. Now, the reason we wanted to do it while it was cold is because if we did it when it was hot, it could potentially jam the inside of our glue gun. But if it's not possible to pull it out while it's cold and none of the other methods worked for you, then I recommend trying to take your glue gun apart and fix it that way before resorting to this next method. So for method number 5, you're going to want to heat the glue gun up and then carefully pull the glue stick out of the back. Now, what's going to happen here is once we get it to this opening, we want to let the glue stick cool down. Leave your glue gun hot, let the glue stick cool down so that we don't add any other glue inside any other components of the glue gun, and then pull it out of the back of your glue gun. Then you can feed a new side in or a new glue stick and then see if you have unjammed your glue gun. Now, the risk here is that when we pull it backwards, the glue can spread around the inside of the glue gun and make the jam even worse than it already is. And that's why this should be your very last resort of a method. Unfortunately, sometimes glue guns are jammed so bad that they cannot be repaired, but if you did just unjam your glue gun or got a new one for yourself, click or tap over here to watch my advanced hot glue gun tips and tricks that will make you be able to glue cleaner and faster. But if you have a completely broken glue gun, you're going to want to click or tap over here, and that's my review of this Gorilla Hot Glue Gun in case you're looking for a new glue gun. As always, my name's Eli Tennant, this is Make Your Brain, and God bless you. I hope to see you in another video.